Kiko. What do you have, honey? Hi. Are you trying to put on the dog's harness? Nobody would believe me if I told them. Yeah. Are you taking notes? Can you get your head right in there? Oh, God. Okay, go. Oh, okay, go. Mo, he's spitting all over your harness. Mo. Mojo. You look here. Okay, go. You're doing it wrong. That part goes under your belly. Yeah, the other part goes around your head. Oh my God, you're a nut. Let me see, don't bite. Let go. That's the part that your head goes through. Yeah, right here. Right there. There you go. And put your head in. No. Oh. Oh. Want me to hold it? Oh, you got your paw through. That's good. There you go. Here, oh. Bracelet. Look what you're teaching the kitten. He was just chewing on my knapsack. Kiko. My goodness. There's your sister. I think the most wild one is the best behaved. Mo, what do you have to say?